Hi, this is the VIVO T2 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and just wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then just go back and click to switch input methods. Switch on currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look, and we could see that the keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.